Incendiaron the doorpost. Sinless lamb is condemned. All the way from New Orleans to Jerusalem. And I traveled through Texas, where many martyrs fell. And I know no one can sing the blues like Blind Willie McTell. Well, I heard that who I was singing, as they were taking down the town. The stars above by the trees were his only audience. Them charcoal gypsy maidens can strut the feathers well. And I know no one can sing the blues like Blind Willie McTell. See the big plantations burning, hear the cracking of the wheels, smell that sweet magnolia blooming, and see the ghost of slavery shade. I can hear the cries of mourning, I can hear the undertaker's bell, and I know no one can sing the blues like Blind Willie McTell. There's our old man by the river with some budget to mend. Just dressed up like a squire, put the liquor in his hand. There's a chain gang on the highway, I can hear them railroads share. But I know no one can sing the blues like Blind Willie McTell. I know God in heaven will all we want is the corruption of to be all that it is. 'Cause I walk around the highway will.